Good morning, Steve Freed with the Morning Grain Comments. Have kind of a mixed trade with beans about unchanged, 11.73, oil gaining on meal, corn down about a penny in a 3-cent range, wheat's down 6 cents. Outside markets are retracing some of the movement on Friday because of concern about Middle East tension. Stock market's higher, dollar's lower, crude's lower, and gold was lower. Now it's a little bit higher on the day. We did note that cocoa continues to trade higher. There was unprecedented, first time ever, Iran attacked missiles and drones, maybe as much as 300, on Israel. Israel's defense, jets from U.S., Great Britain, France, and also Jordan shot all those drones down. Iran told the UN that this confrontation is done and that now globally markets are watching Israel to see if there's any retaliation to this. But right now we'll see if everything is going to be status quo as far as Iran and Israel is concerned. Still some fighting going on in Gaza, Hezbollah, Hamas, and so that continues. We also note that in the Black Sea, Russia continues to attack Ukraine, especially its infrastructure, and we note that wheat market was supported a little bit last week on the fact that Russia is slowing exports of wheat down from private exporters as they try to nationalize their agriculture. Russia also took over one private 650,000 acre farm, and so they continue to try to control every aspect of agriculture. Weather-wise, pretty big storm moving across the Midwest, South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa. Later this weekend, we'll probably see, and early next week, that storm moving into the Ohio River Valley and also Delta. Some of these storms could be severe, heavy rains, and also possibly some hail and tornadoes. So we have to make sure everybody is safe during this rain event. We get our first soybean planting report today. Corn plantings will also be out, and we'll just kind of see what the winter wheat crop ratings do. Some people thinking the dryness in the southern plains will begin to drop ratings of those hard red winter wheat states. Europe, conditions mostly favorable. Some parts of Central Europe may be getting too much rain. And then we note that it continues to be dry in parts of eastern Ukraine and southern Russia. As far as weather in South America, everything is mostly good down there for either late corn crop or soybean harvest. And the big question there is the big spread between private estimates of Brazil corn and soybean crop and USDA. If USDA is right, probably U.S. won't pick up any soybean exports in that Sep-Jan time frame. If CONAB is right, we could see an increase in demand from U.S. exports during that same time frame.